Hey there, you've reached Marty Hosky. This is my basement. I have some gear that I'm going to sell, and basically I'm looking to sell my whole lot of keyboards. So I'm going to start with my Minimoog Model D. I'm the original owner. I purchased this in 1977. It works just fine. Okay. Basically, I'm selling my whole lot of keyboards for the price of the Minimoog. The point I want to make is that I'm not going to sell it separately. Basically, it's a local pickup, and since I'm moving, all these items need to go at the same time. I also have a Leslie 147. The original guts were taken out of it. I power it with this acoustic amp. That's vintage in itself, but it works perfectly. I have that connected to, I got rid of my Hammonds, and this item is the Yamaha SK30, which I purchased probably sometime in the 80s, and used it for some performance, and used it to replace my Hammond and Krumar with one item, which would be an organ. Okay, and then with the Leslie, you can see. You can't really see it spin, but you can hear it. And then it's hooked up to the Leslie, but then this was my strings. And then it has a poly synth in it. And then controls for a solo synth up here. It's a very cool instrument, super high quality. Back in the day, cost me a ton of money then. Now, just to go over here, I think I bought this around 2000. I think when it first came out, probably 2002, which is the Yamaha S-08. It's probably the younger brother, sister of the S-80, which I guess most people use now. And what I did is I MIDI'd it into a Roland JV1010, so it gives me the similar polyphony of the S9. It's the S90. So and then I have that MIDI'd up with my JV. And then actually the piano's really good. All the keys work. It's a great axe. Coming over this way, this is a standard, which is the M1, Korg M1. I have a couple of, I have a memory card here. I have some different program cards. I have a program card that's put in there now. So it comes with a couple of options, extras. Okay. Everything works. And then over here I have the Ensoniq ESQ-1. Another vintage. It's got a different sound. It probably has the original electronic sound. I think this was an early 80s instrument. And then here it's got a built-in sequencer, so it's a workstation. basically we got the ESQ, the M1, back over to the Yamaha S-08, the Minimoog, and the Yamaha SK30. Leslie would be included, so the Yamaha Grand is not. So thanks for giving it a listen. If you have any further questions, please contact me directly, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks.